Yes, I'm going back to feed the deer. Snow is pretty deep. I can see some out there. See them? There they are. They're waiting for me. There they are. Where's our food? Where's our food? So here I go through my little path out to the woods in the backyard. Quite deep back here, quite deep. And they're all waiting. Can you see them? They're all waiting for their corn. Aren't you girls, huh? Aren't you? Aren't you? Huh? You want your corn? Come on. Come on, girls. I don't see any boys today. It's all girls. Hi, pretty. Come on. You want to get your corn? Come on. Come on. As you can see, they're very tame. Just waiting. Come on. Come on. You want your corn? Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. We've got our trough back here. And we'll take our corn. And there they are, and as you can see, they're all waiting. Come on, girls. Come get your corn. Come on. Go get it. Go on. Go get your corn. Good girls. Good girls. Sure. Sure. Good girls. Sure. Sure. As you can see, we have more and more showing up back here. Usually 10 to 15. There's even more I see out in the woods coming this way. They're not too afraid. And this is what we do every day. Huh, girls? Sure, 'cause you're so nice. Good girls. Oh yeah, good girls. Good girls. Sure. Yes, good girls. Sure. Here come some little ones. Good girls. Okay. Enjoy your food.